Today I'm going to take you through some of the VS Code extensions that I use. So one of the extensions that I normally use is the Monokai Pro. Wakatype is another extension that I normally use. This is used to just have some sort of metrics of how you code in. Another tool is the Angular Service. The Angular Service is a pretty awesome tool that gives you all the features that you require for editor services for Angular templates. Then another one is auto close tag. This automatically closes your tags. When you just type a tag, it automatically closes the tag. Let's say if you typed an HTML tag, it will automatically close it. And this works as well for the XML files. Then another extension is auto import. This automatically finds and parses and provides code actions and code completions for all available imports. So let's say, for instance, you're importing a module, and this will automatically import the module. When you just type the module name, you'll just see it imported on top of your file. Then there's another one called auto rename tag. This is another one which is actually cool. It automatically renames your tags, your HTML and XML tags. Then another one that I normally use is Bootstrap. Bootstrap, this just automatically helps you to automatically type the Bootstrap snippets. So guys, I'm not going to show you all of them. I'm going to show you the primary ones that you can get started with. And then another one is the code spell checker. This checks the spelling of your variables or anything that you type with an English word, so it will automatically check the spelling. Then another one is the color highlight. This extension helps you to, when you type the color name or the hex, what do you call this? The hex code of that color, it will automatically show the color visually. Then another one is Django. This extension will just provide a beautiful syntax and scope snippets. Okay, this will, when you are working on Django, this is really helpful. It will just type snippets automatically for you. Then another one is Docker. This Docker extension is awesome, and it normally is used to makes it easy to build, manage, and deploy containerized applications from Visual Studio Code, so you don't need to go to the terminal to do all that. Then another one is Git history. Git history, this is show you, like, you can view Git log along with the graph and details. So this is another tool that is pretty much awesome. Then Git lens. Git lens is another extension. So if you want to view Git lens, this is where Git lens is. So I don't have any repository at the moment, but you'll be seeing like changes in your repository from this part. Then another one is, let me just go down. Yeah, IntelliCode. IntelliCode is another one which is awesome. So IntelliCode helps you, provides AI-assisted development features for Python, TypeScript, JavaScript, and Java developers in VS Code. So when you type the code, it automatically gives you a probable result based on what you're typing. I hope you like this video. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video.